just take it? It's that guy's down there.
Like, I'm sorry, I'm crying over the Maserati. That was the first one here. I saw it about an hour ago.
Just like this? Oh my god.
How often do you see an Aventador in Pittsburgh?
That's what I just said.
How often do you see this Italian
with GoPro? The dude told me he went 109 inside yellow. I was like, I got my Optima to 125. How do you not drive these faster? How? I couldn't do it.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go up. Oh my god.
It really does look like a stealth car. Top Gear was right.
Oh my god.
Just to stand here and admire the design.
Look at the fucking intakes.
Yeah, fiber intakes and the rest of the channel air and keep it nice and flat.
Ridiculous. Oh my god.
The engine cover. It's like a fucking engine cover.
It's like a bug. It's an aerodynamic stealth fighter bug.
Oh, that's a little like, yeah, that is. It's a graphic, yeah, it's a graphic. That's it.
Oh.
Get it over the Ferrari isn't even getting I checked out the Furry. It's a great. I'm pretty sure that's a 458
I want it so bad. I just want this. Why can't I be mad?
Red, yellow, black. Yeah, no, lime green's beautiful. White is always a classic choice. You can't go wrong with white.
I was happy with the Mazda 3 until I saw these.
I was happy with my Volvo V70 until I saw this.
I know, really? So
I have it in like 5. That's half of that. That's not fair. He has twice as much as me. More is more.
I liked the Chevy Cruze until I totaled it. That's a terrible car. It's just it was falling apart the day I got it.
Okay, never mind. I was trying to figure out who the hell you were for a second there. Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
You are rich, right?
Yeah, no, only in spirit. Yeah, I know. I got that. Yeah, no, I was there was guys catching catfish and we listened to that.
Well, that's where I was headed down to the river. But then I saw these and I figured you might be here.
I saw the Maserati coming down. And I took a picture of him. You're just chilling in his car with a field.
Oh, thank you. Big wave for third pair.
You two know each other yet? This is Justin Fun Killer. And that's a story. That's a shot.
He said they were meeting up down here. You like it? All right, bye.
To us, we're doing a TV show. Is that okay?
Okay, sure.
All right. So first of all, you're here for the Furries Convention, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And so tell us about what your costume is. I'm not sure. Well, so you got to come a little.
You do it. I don't know what I'm doing.
You got to come closer because I don't know if we can you hear. All right, go ahead.
Well, I based my costume off a Western dragon.
So that's, you know, we've got the scales here,
Yeah.
we got the wings, and nice big tail rest here.
That's cool. So is this the first time you've done this convention, or have you done it before?
I've been doing it since 2004. That's
Oh, wow.
In Philadelphia.
And does it happen in Pittsburgh every year? I know it happens in a couple of other cities too, right?
Anthrocon is only in Pittsburgh every year.
It's only Pittsburgh, yeah.
There's other furry conventions that aren't Anthrocon.
Okay.
They're like all over the world, really.
So what you do, is this, since 2004 you've been doing this one, or just doing them in general?
I've been doing this one, Anthrocon,
Okay.
yeah.
Are you always a Western dragon?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, cool.
Western Dragon, that's cool. Thank you. Very nice, man. I like it a lot. Very cool. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it. You're here in Pittsburgh for the Furries Convention, right?
Yes.
So, I'm sorry, what's your name?
I'm Carter.
And?
Spitfire.
Spitfire. And tell me what's going on. I know we know about the Furry Convention, but talk to us about what you guys are doing.
Like, really, it's just being ourselves, having fun.
Okay.
Like,
you're here at the Furries Convention.
That's right.
Is this your first year here, or have you done
This
before?
one, yes.
This one. And I'm sorry, what's your name?
My name is Pete.
Pete and?
Antonia.
So tell us a little bit about what the Furries Convention. We have a YouTube channel, and a lot of our viewers are not familiar with the furries. So tell us a little bit about it, what it's about, and you know we're here with some exotic cars too as well.
I can see that. Clearly.
I mean, this is our very first furry convention. We're more avid to the anime section of fandom. We're just kind of here because people who are in furry fandom tend to be in the anime fandom. And they dabble one back and forth, so we decided, well, we often see them at our events. We'll go to their events, see what it's like, just try to soak in some of what their fandom's about.
That's just a form of expression too.
Yeah.
So.
It's like, I mean, I'm a cosplayer. I like to dress up. Give me any excuse to put on some crazy makeup and a dress. I'm all
very cool. So are you from the Pittsburgh region or?
We're from Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus, okay. So we go to Columbus here in the future.
Yeah.
So we were asking the other group, do you think we could get into the furry convention with our animal?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you think?
He was all excited, like, I should get my picture taken with it. It matches my outfit. Red, white, and black.
It does. Red, white, black.
There you go. Let's do it.
We gotta do it. Yeah.
Did you get the picture already?
Not yet.
All right, well,
Go for it. Yeah, go for it. You gotta do it.
Here,
This is Lamborghini. That's our favorite car. I'm sorry, Lamborghini. This is my dream car. I've never been so close to that. That's what I never learned. I know, we had a third. Oh no, I know the car. But I don't mean the green one, and the green one on the gas car is Lamborghini.
I would take it, but no, I like the different color. Okay.
Stuff back in the car. I got a t-shirt.
Same thing with that one. Maybe it's like an art piece or something.
No. Smile, you're on candy camera. There you go.
Howard Stern.
busted up by the start of doing.
Me too. Yes.
Yeah, I noticed that. And the pectoral cap. It's an accident.
Exactly.
Probably to record as you're driving past.
Amazing.
This is what it's like to have one.
You're not kidding. I can't even imagine how much they use all of them. What is the why they're here?
I do know for the convention, there's actually a car show. It was at like noon, I believe.
I'm going to take the inside. I want to take the inside and then we'll go.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I have no idea. I mean, cars here, here, and here, and here. They're just lining up. I don't know why. Yeah, we might. Hey, they're nice to look at. Apparently somebody is sharing that photo with us. We can look at it and dream and say, one day, I'll make a furry costume and I'll make them rich.
In the vehicle?
Yeah. Is it her?
No, I'm already too. This just looks sweet. If I were to draw something like that, I put a different color in the green, but
No, man, that color is
it, for me, I mean, I know some people like that color, and it's good for instance, if I could black for red or black. That's just very color, preference on color.
Bird becoming installed.
You realize that it's doing this recording?
yeah.
No one can arrest you if you're in a suit. So you get in, and I'll drive us away. Midlife crisis. Why not? You're not old enough. He's older. He's in a suit. No one knows how old he is. It could be his midlife crisis too, can it? Oh, let's go. Okay. Come on. What? Actually, no, those are the cool tires.
Which one's Tony? Yeah, that's. Well, actually, no, that's a different engine.
Okay. Because I know like the other side.